Lost your phone around the house? It's on silent and calling it doesn't help? Most people don't know there's a fun trick to find it just by clapping your hands. It only takes a minute to set up, and it works like magic. Let's set it up right now. First, open up the Play Store app, then tap on the search icon, then type clap to find and search. Then tap on the clap to find My Phone by Like Tools Games. Tap on it, now install it. After that, tap open. Now here, set your language, and then tap save. Then tap next several times. Now here, before tapping activate, you need to set the sound. Tap on sound. First, set the volume by sliding the pointer right to left. Then set the duration. After that, select your sound that you want to set. Then set apply in the top right corner. Now go back. Here, enable flash mode and vibration. And now tap on the activation. It requires permission. Tap continue, follow the prompts, then tap go to set. Here, find the clap finder and toggle it on. Then go back, and here your clap finder is successfully activated. And it's time to check. So put your phone on silent mode and lock your phone screen and keep your phone hidden. Now clap. Oh my god, it works. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.